Relevium develop a novel treatment for knee osteoarthritis. So the biggest problem with knee osteoarthritis currently is over 75% of patients are heavily reliant on damaging pain medication. So what we've developed is a new treatment that gives patients superior pain relief but without the side effects of oral medication. Yeah, the Innovation Office worked with us at each stage, so we communicated with the office early in the project and they were very aware that we were interested in commercialising the technology that we were developing. I think if we hadn't the support of the TTO and the university, the company wouldn't exist.
To have Relevium based here in the university at present is brilliant. You know, they've employed 4 people already. That's only going to grow with the trajectory they're on and the momentum that they have. So it's really powerful to see what they're capable of doing, I suppose, locally here, nationally, and then obviously globally as well.
Okay, so in the context of developing an analgesic, so something that's going to affect pain, and particularly in the area of knee osteoarthritis, there's a number of different factors that you have to take into account. So you don't want to make the condition any worse, but you also want to treat one of the most debilitating symptoms, which is pain. And the origin of the pain signal ultimately has a number of different places that it can come from, but it all collides on this capacity to send a neural impulse to the brain where somebody perceives it as pain. So the idea of this compound is that it's going to stop that neural transmission or that electrical transmission. We don't want to block all electrical transmission because that's also associated with how our muscles work and all other kinds of sensation. We want to have a degree of specificity, which is the kind of USP, I would say, for the Relevium project, is that capacity to focus in on the pain signal as opposed to all of the other signals.
The measurable outcomes for the treatment will be, first of all, superior pain relief, reduction in medication intake, but obviously better quality of life for people would be a big one as well. And so anything that can improve patients' quality of life has a big impact as well, and they're measurable outcomes that we hope to measure as part of our clinical studies as well.
I think people often wonder, you know, what sort of research is going on and what is happening within a university, and to have a story like Relevium where they've taken research from the university and gone out and now made it a company, but have come back in to work with the university again, is a really nice story as to kind of how that trajectory actually pans out.